The devil thought he had me. Oh, but where's that from? Hey y'all, it's Danny here. Welcome to Danny Does Stuff. Thank you for bearing with me as I changed my hair color and dealt with bronchitis and all kinds of fun things. But I'm back. Somebody teach me how to Millie Rock. Anywho, so I am here today with an Uber Chronicle special edition. This is just kind of like questions that I have for not necessarily Uber, but just like car service people. I just, some things I don't understand. So, all right. Car is here. Pardon my blue nail. I am here. I walk to the car. Boop, 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 boop. Bam. Hello, Mr. Driver person. Hey, have you been waiting long? Was that a joke that I didn't understand? Or, because he didn't say it like, hey, have you been waiting long? Like, that's just me being an asshole. He really was like, hey, were you waiting a long time? But you watch me walk. I don't. And that leads me to another thing. Like, if the conversation is just like stalled, or like you're asking me things that you know already, like, you don't have to, like, you can talk to me, like, tell me about your kids, or like your favorite breakfast sandwich, or a sports thing. I don't know, like, tell me things, right? But like, just saying words to just have words out there is no thank you. Like, maybe we could just be silent, No, just me. Last thing. So, I got into an Uber today, or a Lyft, or some other sort of car service. You'll never know. Anyway, so, what is wrong with me? I get in today, and I'm delirious, probably still from the fumes from this car. So, it smelled like a stale fart, like a fart that had been kept in that car, like a downtrodden, just like staying there fart, like they've just been packing it down for like 57 months. And I just, your car smell, like, you have to know, like, why, like, it makes me sleepy and frustrated and excited all at the same time. And I just not excited like yay, but just like excitable. I just, I'm really grateful for car services because my ass can't drive. So like, like, thank you for people who do that. But I just, like, these are just things that I wonder about. Yeah, so if you wonder about these same things, or if you have any other Uber stories that you want to share, feel free to share your stories with me down below. If you've had any similar experiences, feel free to let me know about that as well. I definitely will be back with more videos. Thank you for bearing with. And that is about it. I missed y'all. I'm so happy you'll be. Bye, guys.